Good day, Madam Sir. I'm Jonel in Cahigas, 24 years old. I'm Roman Catholic, single. I have one brother and two sisters. I'm a third in my family.
Good day to you, Miss Jonalyn. How are you right now?
Madam Sir, I'm fine, thank you.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, Madam, I'm honest, loyal, and hardworking.
How will you avoid your homesickness?
Sir, Madam, I will make busy at my work.
So can you tell us how to take care of children?
Giving food, give vitamins, and love as my own brothers and sisters.
What if you committed mistakes? What to do?
Sir, Madam, I will say sorry and I promise I will not do it again.
Okay, so what is your last message or promise to the employer?
Sir, Madam, please hire me. I need this job to help my family and I promise I finish the 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Jonalyn, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Madam and Sir.